Baby, You're a Blessing, illustrated by Gail Uriel. Baby, you're a blessing in so many ways. You give big baby hugs the first thing each day. You bless me with smiles. You bless me with tickles. You bless me with fun, cools, laughter, and giggles. You give mommy snuggles. And with daddy, you play. You bless me with kisses while we quietly sway. You bless me with songs. You bless me with dancing. You bless me with gifts, leaps, jumps, and prancing. You're so gentle and kind, and share quite happily. Even as you sleep, you're a blessing to me. The end.